Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now today we are back with another house hunting video, and we are in the parish of St Anne and we are in Runaway Bay today. Today we are going to be featuring some brand new apartments in Cardiff Hall in Runaway Bay. Now these apartments are called Palazzo Royale. Now this is phase 2. Just down the road there is Palazzo, which is the first phase. This is the second phase, Palazzo Royale, and we'll be showing you the first phase also, well, driving past the first phase to let you see what it looks like. Now Palazzo Royale are apartments. They're made up of 11 units. There are 2 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom units which have already been sold, and the remaining 9 units are 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Okay. There are only about 4 units left for sale, guys. We went to the open day a few days ago and there are about 4 units left available. So if you're interested, then you know, you'll need to move quite quickly. Features of the Palazzo Royale. So it will come with a swimming pool. It will have a rooftop entertainment center. There will be a gym as well. And the great thing with this development that I've not seen in any other development, to be honest with you guys, all the units come with appliances, right? So they come with fridge freezer, double fridge freezer. It comes with a stove, electric stove, microwave. It comes with a washing machine. It comes with a dryer. They come with AC as well. So I think that's a really great, really great bonus to this development and to these apartments. Prices currently priced $280,000 US for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit at 1,300 square feet. They have some units which are 1,400 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and they are going for $290,000. Okay, so between 280 and 290,000 US dollars. Remember, guys, that the 3 bedrooms have already sold off, and there are only a few limited 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartments left. So on the drive up, you'll see that it is really close to all of the local amenities. You've got the beach as well. You've got Flavors Beach, which is a short distance, and you've got, supermarkets and all the local stores that you'll need. So location-wise, very close to all of the amenities. So coming up on the right hand side is the Palazzo Phase 1. This is the original Palazzo, and just around the corner is Palazzo Royale. Now this road will be fixed, okay? So we've had it from the developers that this road will be fixed. This is the road that leads to the development. Where you see Palazzo Phase 1, the developers fixed that road also when they finished the development. So the developers will be fixing this part of the road also. Okay guys, just before we give you our tour of the Palazzo Royale, we just wanted to show you this computer generated image of what the development will look like once it is complete.